Right guys, my computer's come, and unfortunately I couldn't afford a branded make, so I've ended up, well, I say unfortunately, but we'll get on to that. I've ended up with a Chinese brand, and I'm probably going to crucify it, but it's called a Makaniki, I think that's how you pronounce it. Excuse me. Now this is an Intel i7. It's got all good stuff in it. It's got the GeForce video card in it. It's got 16 gig of RAM. It's running Windows 10 Pro, and I've had it a little while now, and so far so good. It's performing really well. It boots up in like 22 seconds. I think the longest one was 28 seconds, so that's pretty fast. We all know they start to slow down over time now. You're not going to believe this, but when I got my new laptop, the same day, I kid you not, my old one crashed again. I've spent so many hours, you would not believe, getting my old laptop back to Windows again and start all over again and loading things on because the files on it couldn't be saved and all the rest of it. And it's been an absolute nightmare, but now I've got the new one. I've transferred my editing software onto here, my VPN and all my other little bits and bobs, and it's really good. I use it for the live streams, guys, and it's not let me down. It's been really good. So as a blogger, if you're obviously you're going to be editing, so you're going to be rendering and stuff, you need a laptop that has at least 16 gig of RAM. You can manage with 8, but you're not going to be rendering very fast. So 16 gig really is the least you should accept on a laptop. Now when you come to the Philippines, you're going to be limited on the laptops you can buy, and the the prices of the laptops, and especially branded ones, if you can get a hold of them and they're not coming in from abroad, of course, which I attempted to buy one on eBay, and they just wouldn't ship to the Philippines. So big electronic items, guys, they don't ship because of the cost of shipping, and then you have to pay import duty. So you'll pay it. It's been stopped because a lot of them didn't mention you'd have to pay import duty when you went to pick it up, and then you get there and it made whatever item you'd bought cost a lot more money. And what you've got to remember is most branded electrical items here are 13% more at least than what you'd pay for them in the West. So that's that, guys. Now the other good news is I've now got my GoPro 7. Now just before I get onto the GoPro 7, guys, I want to just say a big thank you to Robert B. Robert knows who he is. Robert helped me greatly buy this laptop. If it wasn't for Robert, this new laptop wouldn't be here now. And I want to send a shout out to Max. I'm sure Max is watching because he watches my videos, and Max paid 50% of what the GoPro 7 cost me. It's a GoPro 7 Black. To me it's better than the GoPro 8 because the GoPro 5, 6 and 7 are all similar, and they all use the same accessories. They all use the same batteries, and if you break the lens, guys, the 5, 6 and the 7 are all the same lenses, so they're interchangeable. Whereas the GoPro 8, if you drop it, you can't change the lens on it. It's all part of the camera, and that's one of the main things that put me off. So this one I'm holding to do the video is me old GoPro, and it's a bit of garbage, and this is about the 3rd time I've tried to video. It still keeps shutting down. I thought I'd solved it, guys, with a 2nd firmware update, but it's not. It's still doing the same thing. So there's the box. It's just come in. You don't really get anything with it. You get a bit of a cover for it, you get the power lead, you get a battery, of course, and that's it. The box, the GoPro box, I got off Lazada. It was very cheap. If you're blogging, to me, it's the good value for money. Look, I don't understand how they don't last long when they're supposed to be a bulletproof camera, but this is my, I think this is my 3rd, or is it my 4th GoPro? No, this is my 4th GoPro, and being as I've only been in the Philippines for nearly 5 years now, I keep saying 4 but I'm wrong. Mel put me right on that other day. They're not lasting long. They're really not lasting long. So I expect that with electronic items that you bring to the Philippines, guys, right? Just expect they're not going to be around long. I look after me stuff. As you can see with the new one, I bought a brand new box straight away to put it in, but it's not going to make much difference, I don't think, because this one I'm holding, I couldn't have looked after it any better, and it's still let me down. So that's it. I just wanted to show you that I'm all equipped again. I can't give any excuses because I got a new laptop and I got a new camera. This will be used as a backup, obviously, because it's basic garbage. So we'll see how we go from there. So that's it, guys. Till the next video. I hope you found this interesting. If you're just starting up blogging, get yourself a GoPro. Even though I've not had much luck with mine, I know it sounds a bit silly saying to get one, but when I've looked online and looked on YouTube and stuff, I'm not really over enthralled about the cameras on the market at the minute. So until the next video, guys, please hit that like button, please subscribe and share our videos. See you on the next one.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah.